Crypto Corey,
I am sunburnt. I'm Money Mike.
Sunburned Mike.
Sunburnt Mike. I'm sunburnt Mike today. Yep. This is not actually a t-shirt. This is my skin.
Orange Man bad.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're already banned.
No, they're gonna promote the channel now. What are you talking? Twitch and YouTube. Orange Man bad. Oh, dude, someone should make a horror movie
Right?
called Orange Man Bad. It's just the dude covered in Cheeto dust.
Frankly,
Oh,
it's not the greatest movie. I've seen great movies. Movies are much better than this one, and this movie is not a great movie.
oh, good times. All right, so what's Bitcoin and the markets doing?
Ain't doing nothing.
Oh,
It's
a
just, the first week of the month. That's why we don't trade the first week of the month. I didn't even touch anything, Mike. I've been looking at it, but it's to
yeah.
be expected.
Oh
Friday is looking like we'd probably get something, but we'll see.
no, remember what I said earlier in the week? I'm gonna show you something real quick. Here, remember what I said earlier in the week? That if we go for a runner this week, if we're running up this week, and we got non-farm payroll coming on Friday, we're probably going to see a drop. So this is the S&P 500. Brother, I'm not entirely certain, but yeah. This is all-time highs, my guy.
Of course.
All-time highs. Oh, so I'm not saying that like the markets are going to crater on Friday. But as far as TradFi goes, American companies, ooh, we're probably seeing a dip. We're probably going to see a little dip.
So more downside.
I mean, no downside on the American markets, dude. It would just be like a healthy correction. You had large cap earnings basically took the S&P 500 out of its downward trajectory because we were getting that round top and everything, and then large cap earnings hit, and I mean, well, plus some other stuff happened, but we were starting to get a round bottom, and then large cap earnings were amazing. Large American companies are making more money than ever before, and now, so I'm expecting sideways tomorrow, then a dip on Friday, because let's face it, non-farm payroll is probably going to suck.
Yeah, we're trading up, and that's usually a bad sign. Well, bad if you're going long, but if you're shorting, this is what we.
Uh-oh. We still got you. You're still connected, my guy.
You still there?
Yeah, you're still connected.
I don't know, some weird thing. We just lost power.
It's crazy that you didn't lose internet.
I don't know, something's weird.
Are you on the Wi-Fi?
Yeah, this thing's just giving me trouble now. Great. Gotta love it.
What light
There we
went
go.
off? You got a tabletop lamp there or something?
Yeah, I think something got bumped or whatever, but we don't want to see the first week of the month trade up because typically that means we're going to have some downside. That's just how it is. Can't really do anything about it. So as of right now, I would be looking for short positions, everyone. And that's what it is. For it, the SPY. What about the NASDAQ here?
I did not look at the QQQ. You got the QQQ chart? I know the Nasdaq. I know they were all kind of slightly red by the end of the day today, but They're bouncing back in aftermarket.
Mm.
That's like a
Yeah,
1
this looks
year.
like it's starting to slowly roll over here.
Yeah. So
So,
the
I don't know.
Nasdaq is all tech companies, so this actually makes sense.
You're gonna wipe people out first and then come back around and push it in the direction that you already know it's going, but they have to wipe people out first. They need the liquidity.
Yeah. Yeah, it's that is it's interesting how the S&P and the Nasdaq look so much different right now.
They're kind of similar, but
I
they're
mean,
kind of following the same path.
you're looking
They're
at the
just wiping out people that are going long or going short.
you're looking at the 1 year chart, right?
I mean, yeah, this is all the way back to August of 2025 here.
Yeah.
This is the daily chart, by the way, but in a 1 year span of time, yeah. Just
Yeah,
going back to July back here.
the SPY is definitely faring better, which kind of tells me because the SPY has all the staples. So they have Walmart, Stop and Shop, all that kind of stuff. So you got your major retailers, you know, Tractor Supply, yada yada.
It looks like it took out that Head and Shoulders, and now it's gonna come down. Now that it stopped these guys out.
Yeah,
That's what it looks like to me.
and I can understand why you don't trade the SPY because it's a major index of a bunch of different companies. Like it has some of the same companies that are in the Nasdaq. You know, Nvidia, Google, Amazon. Maybe not Amazon, but it's like it has, you know, all these other stuff in it. It's just the top 500 largest companies, so it makes sense that it operates a lot differently than the Nasdaq because the Nasdaq has a lot of crap in it. It's, you know, freaking because it's more than just tech, dude. They got a lot of biotech. So they got people, the clinical drug companies and stuff. So those small caps got crushed out, man. It probably hurt some of those other companies.
Is much better.
Huh?
It does seem to be doing much better.
Yeah. All right. All-time highs this week.
Didn't see that coming.
No. No, I did not. We literally had a Head and Shoulders and then a rounded top. And then boom. Peace talks with Iran started back up. All according to plan. So
What's Bitcoin doing here?
it's looking pretty good this week. Which according to you is not good.
Yeah, we're just looking like we're going to retest the bottom of this channel. I'm still looking for this move to play out. This looks like the bear flag here. Right. Target of that would be 46,000. Do we get the move? That's the question.
Jesus. Yeah. I think it would be hilarious is if they pass the Clarity Act for cryptocurrency, and that causes cryptocurrency to just plummet.
We kind of have like an inverse Head and Shoulders, but it's really not doing it. You're just going sideways.
I know.
Like we wanted to see this come down to here, and that would have given us. But that didn't happen. It's just kind of going sideways as of right now. This might get extended out to here. Who knows? Like we get something like this, you know, and then it goes.
Yeah, which
But we
is-
don't. We don't want to see it going up now. That's for sure.
Yep. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's every day it looks less likely that my 80K prediction is gonna happen, and that really grinds my gears.
Yeah. What's going on here, Michael Saylor? You said to buy Bitcoin.
Oh, dude, I saw an ad. So MicroStrategy has like some type of flex shares that's supposed to like start paying like monthly dividend, something like weird like that. And apparently, the price dropped pretty decently on that. It was around $100-ish, and the price dropped to like $80. And all these lawyers started putting out these ads, dude. If you bought, you know, Michael's Stretch, that's what it was called, Stretch. If you bought Michael Saylor's Strategy Variable Rate Perpetual Stretch Series A shares, you could be entitled to compensation. They're basically trying to find people that lost a bunch of money on it so that they could, you know, try to bring a class action case. And they got listed for $100, and they dropped to like 75 a couple weeks after it was listed. And it's already back up to $95.
Yeah.
Oh,
Didn't last long, now did it?
oh, dude, it's hilarious. Yep, absolutely hilarious to me. Cause it's like, it's like good luck beating that in court. Basically, what happened was, all your clients got a beautiful opportunity to average down or buy the dip. They weren't smart enough to do it. So anybody that's actually going in on that case saw it plummet to $75 and sold because they got panicked. And now it's almost back up to where it was listed at.
Typical bots, you know, screwing you out of trades.
Oh, dude,
People keep falling for it, dude.
if you were on StockTwits, dude, you would love this stuff that I see on here, especially the Bitcoin page. Oh, dude, you gotta get StockTwits, dude. Bitcoin is one of the largest watchers, 674,000 watchers.
Probably got your like a good indicator right there. Just
What?
do exactly the opposite of what everybody's saying on StockTwits, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you would think that, but the problem is typically with these larger assets like Bitcoin, basically what ends up happening is when it's going down, there's a ton of shit posting, and you know people are digital money, this is fake. Oh, Warren Buffett said this, and then when it's going up, you get a bunch of the frickin' moon boys, dude. Oh, pump it to the moon, hold the line, diamond hands. Yeah. So,
Yeah, it's just, you know, just like your bipolar cousin you invite over on Christmas Day. You can't.
my ex-girlfriend?
Yeah, that too.
No, my ex-girlfriend is my bipolar cousin.
Oh,
I thought you would have caught that.
damn.
Yep. Sorry.
Damn, Ron, where do you find this?
That was work me coming out. That's the kind of crap I say at work.
I mean, yeah, we're basically working right now.
Yeah. Yep. Hear that, viewers? We don't get paid for this either.
Unless you want to buy us a coffee. You want to throw that buy us a coffee link in there, Mike?
Oh, they can super chat on YouTube or just subscribe on Twitch, you know? That's $5.
Or you can buy a t-shirt. Mike, do you have t-shirts made? This is what I'm talking about, man.
Oh, that would actually be
You got
fun.
t-shirt for sale? Anybody wants them?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I can
This
get.
is the first time Mike's hearing about this, but yes, we have t-shirts for sale. You want to bring up the design?
Oh,
It's so funny because like, have you you watch some of like Tate's stuff? You got like Hustlers University.
yep. Yeah, I've heard about Hustlers
What's that?
University.
'Cause you can get it free online. Little hack there for you guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh, one of the guys, like, he's a younger dude. Like, he works as a janitor at the place I work with, and he's like, yo, I just want to do something with my art, man. Like, I just got to get out of this. They pay me like $20 an hour. I can't make my car payment, and this and that. And like, bro, just set up some shit, make some designs. Use AI if you have to. He's like, I don't want to use AI. I'm like, all right, so if you have the designs, man, just make a website, put up that stuff, sell 50 t-shirts, and then once you got 50 people that sent you money, then make the t-shirts, then you already paid, then sell them the t-shirts, and then bingo, you got it. You don't need any money to start. Just use all that. You know, you got all the resources on the internet today. You can literally start what you might have to you probably have to pay for a website. You know, small amount of costs, upfront costs, but like, come on, what, $100, $200? Not even. Go on, you know, make some stuff.
Sell
Then
it
you
with,
got to pay for advertising.
sell it with a shop that just prints the shirts on demand. They got a bunch of those
That's
now.
it. Like, you got a lot of that stuff, and it's like, to say that, oh, it can't be done, you're just making excuses. This is 2026.
Yep.
So if you have an idea, like, the only thing that's stopping you is you. Like, oh, I'll do it when I have the time. Like, no, you're never gonna have the time.
Time
Don't
is
you get
now.
that? Yeah, do it now. The
Just-
fact that you're thinking of this and talking about it, you should be already doing it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
You know what would have been really funny is if you got sued by Nike for making that video.
They shut our stream down.
Oh god.
Copyright.
No, you can
infringement.
still go watch that video. The Shia LaBeouf Just Do It video. I'm pretty sure he released it on YouTube. And you can go, I think if you actually go and look up Shia LaBeouf, that is probably the first thing that comes up.
Yeah, it's all it takes is one thing, you know? All
Yeah.
it takes one.
Oh, no, so many people have reposted that video, dude. Huh. Yep.
I think for Bitcoin, we are closer to the bottom here.
Yes, we're
So-
definitely closer to the bottom than the top. Especially the next
Way
top.
more upside potential here than downside. That's my opinion. The fact, like, from here, the amount of money you can lose compared to, say, if you were getting into the markets a year ago, way more potential here than, say, back then. When everybody was hype about it, when everybody's like, yeah, we're making a lot of money, yeah, it's the bull market, keep going, it's not going to go down. No, that's not the time to put money in. That's the time you'd be taking money out. Now that everybody's freaked out, they don't know where everything's going, they're scared, this is the time. Buy the losers' positions, because you got a lot of people out there, they're panic selling. They're fools. They haven't been through this. This is their first time. Well, guess what? I'll gladly buy their position off of them, because they clearly don't know what they're doing. And it's unfortunate, but I'm going to take full advantage of that. Yes, please. Yeah, you want to sell your Bitcoin? Sell it to me. Thank you. Yeah. I'll remind you of this in a few years from now. You're not gonna like it.
You need to get a second mortgage on your house. And no, I'm just joking.
Yeah, go all in now.
Remember, we are not financial advisors, and this is not financial advice.
And I'm just a dude in the basement. And if you take advice from me, God help you.
Yeah.
I literally jump off cliffs for fun. Why? I don't know why you're listening to me.
Except for
Like,
serious life advice that we actually do give occasionally. Like, don't play with rattlesnakes.
don't wrestle with a lollipop in your mouth.
Yep. See? Great
Yep.
advice right there. I was going to add a joke to that, but I'm just not going to do it.
That's how it goes.
Oh, why? Oh, you're bringing the trend lines all the way back, huh?
I mean, they go, dude. There's a reason. So stuff's not random, guys. Unfortunately, whoever told you that this is just buying and selling pressure, they're just repeating what they heard from some dude off the internet.
Wolf of Wall Street.
Yeah, buying and selling pressure. Tell me again. Just buying and selling pressure. Come on. Especially all the stuff we show you on this channel. But the degree of accuracy that we show you, come on. If it was just buying and selling pressure, we wouldn't be able to do this. It would not be possible. So, newsflash, the markets are 100% manipulated. The only reason why we can predict this is because they are manipulated. We love that they are manipulated. We love it. It's great. Because we make money off of it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like one of those things, man. I was just lost in my own head for a second. Thinking about, you know, the setups in the past that I really killed. And it's like, what's going to be the next, you know, big trend?
We have yet to see it.
Yeah, because it's like, obviously we're in the AI cycle. And that's
Yeah, that's coming to an end here soon.
turned into
It's
a
been
super
too
cycle.
long.
Yeah.
Something's gonna give.
Oh, dude, I don't think there's as much money in it as people think.
Not now. Yeah, this is like the tail end of it.
It's like the companies that, so Palantir had earnings this week. That would actually be a good one to bring up on stream. PLTR. We talked about this one a long time ago. This is probably actually the best pick we've ever had. In all actuality.
Yeah, we told you about this all the way back in the beginning.
$15.
Yeah.
$15.
We're talking 100x here, folks.
And it's like, so they released earnings, but they're doing government contracts. They're doing, you know, they're using AI to, you know, they basically went after the people that are willing to pay for AI, and they tailored their AI to perform a job that someone who has money is willing to pay big money for, like tracking down terrorists and stuff like that. They do shipping logistics stuff, a lot of different business streamlining. But in order to get this company to even walk through your door, it's $1 million, and there's a waiting list. So if you want Palantir people to even show up at your business, and you can see all those earnings down at the bottom, and you can see, you know, exactly what's been happening with this company. So they're smart. And the way they're doing it, it's like all these companies want these guys to come in and streamline their business, or governments want them to come in, help them find the terrorists. And they're doing it. They're killing it. This is definitely one of the PayPal Mafia guys. This is I don't want to say that. I'm going to avoid saying anything about the CEO.
We're gonna get banned.
But like they were smart about it. So if you like want to pick AI winners, like this one right here, like when the AI bubble pops, these guys are going to be just fine. You know?
Oh yeah, they set themselves up for it.
Yeah, you're going to have some companies, man. Whew. You're going to have some bankruptcies. You're going to have some bad stuff when this bubble pops because people, by and large, like, don't want the next stage of AI. They don't want the data farms. They don't want AI agents in their home. I would say the vast majority of people don't want anything to do with any of that. So,
I don't know. Why don't you let us know in the comments? Do you want AI agents in your house?
like, AI video editing is fantastic. It's amazing, dude. The way it'll go in and refine the audio in a video that I make, or the way, you know, you can use AI to edit photos. It's good and it's getting better. You can make little short videos and stuff, but that's like more of a novelty.
Yeah, that's not what they're using it for. That's for sure.
No, they're freaking using it to yeah.
We're not gonna say that, but you already know what they're using it for.
Yeah. Yep. And I mean, dude, if you think about it, me and you have actually done enough video online where someone went through their YouTube and took video composites of our face and we turn our heads so they can make a 3D rendering. They could basically make videos of me and you saying all kinds of outlandish stuff.
Next thing you know, we're on the news with our face, and you see that some incident happened at the local
Park?
whatever populated area it is, and then you're now the suspect
Right?
because you were saying some things online that they didn't like.
They just put a video of you online yelling the N-word in a park a bunch of times.
But that's best case scenario.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep. That's.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh God. Yeah.
Hold on to your cowboy hats. That's
Yeah. So I mean, right now it's all about earnings. I don't know why. Palantir dropped earnings on Monday, so that's why you're seeing that spike, that huge gap, and that spike. You know, as we had AMD, Lucid, Pfizer on Tuesday, Walt Disney today, Western Digital, Uber, Shopify. So we're starting to get into your smaller cap companies now, especially after this week. Once we get into August, dude, you're gonna, start seeing small cap companies releasing earnings. So BlackBerry should be relatively soon as well.
we'll see what happens there, huh?
Yeah. I mean, dude. So I've found the reason that I don't really track earnings is I've found that earnings is a fickle game. Like, what is this? What are we looking up right now? SpaceX? Is that what you're...
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Keep going.
Oh, it's not good, dude. You've heard about this?
I've been watching it. I'm just sticking to my original plan, like I said in the beginning. But yeah, keep going.
Dude, it's down to, it hit $100. Almost. And basically, what is it? When is another trench of shares? So all the super early investors are going to be able to sell their shares for the first time.
How convenient.
Yeah, and it is tomorrow. 911 million shares.
Now I see a good opportunity here, Mike. I just don't see it right now. But I've been saying, for those who are patient, the money is here to be made. But there's a reason why they dangled this carrot in front of everybody, because it's so obvious at this point, Mike. It's not even. It's like I just don't understand how people fall for it. That's what the weird thing is to me. It's like, you know what they're gonna do. You know they're gonna screw you over. You got like people coming out of the woodwork buying this. It's like, why? Why would you do that? Like, especially knowing their MO. I think, like, there's a big opportunity, but we just got to wait for the right entry.
I mean, it wasn't all bad, dude. Their earnings. So, I mean, 7.8 billion in revenue and a net loss of 541 million. So 9 cents is per share. It's not horrendous.
You know me, I don't look at that stuff.
Like, I
That
just
doesn't-
I look at this stuff after the fact because, like, I've found that I actually do better trading earnings after earnings happens. And basically, if there's like investor overreaction, then especially to the downside, dude, it's gonna pop back up. Especially these larger companies.
Of course.
Like, smart money's gonna buy the dip. Obviously, if they freaking had barely any revenue and their loss was like 25 cents a share or something, it would be tanking right now. But dude, they are spending a ton of money on AI. Like, their AI capex is insane. But I mean, what else? What can you do?
Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
like I said, there's an opportunity here. For the people who are patient.
Get this though. 911 million shares. You see something with that number? Tomorrow.
Yeah.
911. I think we're gonna see a massive drop, dude. Tomorrow.
Boom! I can't see that.
Well, look, it's. I mean, just look at freaking all of these. So it's not just early investors, dude. The employees that took the stock options when SpaceX was in its infancy, it's all of them, dude. So there's a bunch of employees that are basically, they're millionaires now, but they haven't been able to touch this money for almost 2 months.
Welcome to Capital America, right?
And if I'm sitting there and I'm like, oh man, $100 a share, and I never even like planned on this, like I took the stock options, but it's like, oh, who knows what's gonna happen? And now all of a sudden, tomorrow morning, you were an engineer, and you have $2 million in SpaceX shares. I mean, I'm dumping half of them, dude.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh, it's gonna be wild.
There's gonna be like, there's got to be like some way to like incentivize them not to sell, because they do this all the time. Like make it so that if you sell at a certain time period, that you don't get the whole amount of money. You only get like half of it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, these are all vested shares, my guy. These shares have been had for. These are the earliest investors. Like, these are vested. There's no strings attached. They can just sell tomorrow, no problem.
We'll see what happens, but like I said, I'm waiting. I don't think this is a good time to buy. It's not. I think there's a lot more downside coming.
Oh yeah, yeah. Honestly, dude, if this does something insane, like drops to $50, and options get dirt, yeah, and options get dirt cheap, and if like you can buy 2028 options or something like that, hoo-wee.
There's a lot of money that can be made here, guys. Especially the fact that retail got into this way too early. Because let's just be honest here. Or the sacrifice, like they, they do this all the time, and it's funny to me that like I've been doing this for what 5 years. How many years have you been doing this, Mike?
Since
Longer than me.
2017.
So it's like, I don't get why people keep falling for this. Like, I understand the game. You understand the game. How doesn't like everybody else understand? Like, hey, they're trying to rip you off right now, and if you're dumb enough to buy it because the news is telling you to buy it, well, guess what? You might as well just lose your money. You'd be better off going and giving your money to a homeless dude. To be honest with you, because at least you'd be doing something like money.
Yeah, I was thinking about today. It's like there's nothing stopping us, me and you, from going and finding a group of investors. Go find some product, patented product, some kind of like, pharmaceutical drug out there that's under development, and getting a bunch of investors to pool their money and basically finance a company for us to run and start. And we'll just go and like buy up some assets, and then we'll publicly list in the stock market and get paid a bunch of money.
Right off into the sunset.
Yeah.
Yep.
And once that happens, like, we'll just do a bunch of offerings in retail's face, do a reverse split, couple more offerings, make sure we get paid a nice salary, and become millionaires and just to have a failed company. But hey, we'll be rich.
Right. That's it. That's all you need to do. In 2026, become a millionaire.
And I mean, I'll be fine. I'll be able to live for years, dude, because I don't even really like Rolexes or like luxury stuff.
Yeah, it's those junk anyways.
Yeah, it's like,
It's not even that good.
no.
I'll buy some cool stuff, like and actually do cool stuff with a base jumping rig.
Pokemon cards.
Yeah, that too.
I was saying that today. The best investment in the past 30 years, it's not Bitcoin, it's Pokemon cards.
Yeah, if you just could have stopped your parents from throwing all your toys away, yeah, you would be a millionaire now. But unfortunately, yeah, you're still working at McDonald's. Mom sold all the Beanie Babies. Dad stole the Pokemon cards. Where do you think they got the money to do the retail investment? Come on. Suckers.
I still have my Pokemon cards.
And they were filing your taxes for years. They didn't tell you about taxes, did they? Yeah, they were filing that for you.
I mean,
They were getting that money.
we were dependents. We were a tax break. A negligible one, though. It wasn't worth it if it was just for the tax break. So they obviously wanted us. It's what I tell myself. We are not mistakes, Corey.
No.
Oh God, this
Everything happens for a reason.
this got unhinged. Not like super unhinged, just slightly unhinged.
Yeah.
Oh, good times. So, is that what we're calling the end of the week? A drop? You think Bitcoin's gonna drop by the end of the week, or you think it's gonna wait till?
Oh yeah, it's gonna roll over. That's what it looks like.
On
And then
Friday?
we get my price I was talking about for so long. I think this is the last drop here, Mike. This is the last one before we start going back up.
Okay. You think a year and a half?
a lot of YouTubers that are saying one last drop, one last drop. No, you've never heard me say that. Well, now I'm saying one last drop. I think this is it. This is the last shakeout. I really do believe that.
The only question
And
is, how bad is it going to be, and how long is it going to last?
sound like an OnlyFans model. I'm thinking all the way to 46. Like I said,
Yeah.
46, 47,000.
How long is it going to take to get there? You think it's going to be one of these?
It'll be like a couple weeks, like a week or 2 weeks. It's gonna be fast.
Chicken Little, Sky is Falling, MicroStrategy stock plummets, all the Bitcoin mining stocks plummet. Ooh,
Something happens.
could be 2020 all over again, my guy.
Yeah, people freaking out, and then boom, right in your face. You weren't even ready for it, and as if like it never happened ever before in history. Come on.
No, stuff like that doesn't happen.
We've been talking about this for literally months, like probably almost like half a year, Mike. And now it's like actually it's happening. Exactly like we were talking about. And it's funny, is people are freaking out. It's like, well, if you if you subscribe to the Manic Money Finance channel, you would know about this. We were talking about this and anticipating for almost a year. How is it that we're sitting here talking about the same thing? You guys still haven't gotten it through your heads. You still listening to whatever crypto bro on YouTube. And you wonder why you haven't made money. Well, guess what? Get your head out of your ass. How about you start there?
Maybe we should say, pull your head out of the sand.
Yeah, you could do that too, but talking about this for half a year, so I'm done being nice here, Mike.
Yeah, you're only pulling your head out of the sand if there's sand in your ass.
Or yeah, I'm not gonna go there either.
Oh, Jesus.
Can't say it didn't tell you.
No. You definitely told them multiple times. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, I've been working super hard, so all the stocks that I was telling you about, I'm basically still in. Snail dropped. I got out before the drop. Huh?
Even more, huh?
Well, no, it was doing very well. But it was maintaining that $5 per share, dude. It dropped under $4 a share this week. It was crazy. The best part about it was I wasn't into it. I love that part. But it's like small caps have been rough, dude. They are not fun. Zora is starting to suck wind, too.
This is not the market for that stuff. It's my opinion.
No, it was doing. The small caps were doing well. Small caps were fun, but now it's like you really have to do the digging and find the stuff that is basically going to be adding shareholder value in an almost aggressive way. And I mean, I believe that I've brought you a couple of those, but it's like, at least for small caps. Altcoins? Oh, God. Altcoins, man. When it comes to that stuff, dude, it is just an average in slowly over time with money you're willing to lose.
That's the best way to play it.
Yeah. Because, dude, it's a crapshoot with the altcoins. Obviously, when Bitcoin goes back up, they're all going to go back up too. But there's
Yeah, that's why I'm waiting.
Yeah, there's so many of them now, dude. It's finding the right ones, you know. Kind of like the stocks.
Yeah, same thing.
Like, if you're gonna do anything right now, and this is not financial advice, I think we actually mentioned this last time. Start a pump fund token, market it, advertise it, in whatever free ways you can. Don't put any money into it besides a website and whatever you're willing to, initially invest into the actual coin. Just go from there. It might be. I think that's probably the best bet right now in crypto to get rich. What do you think? Manic Money Crypto?
Yeah. I think that's a great place to leave it off. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make some food.
Yeah, go eat some food.
Not much going on here, folks. We're just looking for another drop. That's
Yep.
all it is.
Oh yeah, especially Friday.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm calling Friday's gonna be an ugly day for the market.
I guess we'll see.
We shall see.
All right, guys. Well, I'm Crypto Corey.
I am Money Mike.
For the next one, guys, make sure you hit that like and comment down below. Peace
Yeah.
out.
Hit up the Facebook. Peace.